Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Shits and Giggles. My name is Kai.
I'm Robin.
And Robin, what are we doing today, bud?
This morning we're doing breakfast.
Yay.
Quick, easy. You got a lot of people coming over. You got to do it fast. You want to do it inexpensively. This is the bomb.
Yeah, so we've got some eggs, we've got some green peppers, we've got some bacon, we've got some green onions, we've got some spices, a little bit of water, and we got cheese, so let's get started.
Okay, here we go, folks. We're cracking 7 eggs. That's 4, that's 5, that's 6, and that's 7. Beat them up real good. There's a quarter cup of water. You can substitute cream or milk if you like. Adding a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of ground pepper, and we're putting in our green onions. Make sure it's smooth. That's looking good, yeah. A little more mixing. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. Adding the green pepper. Don't put too much in, folks. You gotta leave room for the eggs and the cheese. And adding a little bit of bacon, nice and crispy. Not too much, folks. Don't want to fill it all up with the goodies. Leave room for the eggs. Yeah. Almost done. Here we go. Adding the egg mixture, 3/4 full, folks, because it's gonna fluff up. Gotta leave room for the cheese. Almost done. Here we go. Oh, 3 or 4 more to go. And adding the cheese. We're using mild cheddar here, folks. Could be Canadian like we're using, or American. Take your pick.
Okay, so Robin, look it. This looks amazing. These tarts they smell great. Put a little bit of paprika on top of there.
I can smell them from here.
Yeah, so again, guys, if you have
Can we eat now?
Yeah, I'm just saying that if you have a lot of people and you need to do this quick and cheap, this is the way to do it. I'm getting right into this. It's hot. Nah, it's not that hot. Oh, they smell great. It is hot. You take the first bite.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
You take the first bite.
Easy peasy, folks.
Let's see.
Wow.
Oh my God. You gotta try these, right?
My honey was bang on.
You know what? On a scale of 1 to 10, these are an 11. Honest to God, I've never had these before. I usually do mine with a little differently in the muffin trays with the ham, and we'll do that on another morning. But you know, Cynthia,
Thanks, man. Job well done.
Yeah, your mother did good on this, teaching how to do this, because
Legacy lives.
Make sure you do this, guys. Follow us on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe and like.
Clapper.
And TikTok. All right.
Next
See you
time,
later.
folks.
Have a great day.